Hey guys, welcome back to the Tiki Kev shop. I know I just put a video out yesterday, but I'm going to show you guys what we got going on, the next project coming up. But before that, we got Eric's painting some bar stools. A lot of bar stools, Eric. Got more over here. There's some, oh, he took the ones out from over there. But some of those go with this project, and some of them go with this project. The ones that go with this is the Texas job that's heading out in a couple days. So 4 of them go with this. Tried talking them into 11, but they just wanted 4. But here's the next. This is the next monster going out. This is a 10 by 10 tiki bar. This one's going out near Pittsburgh. Not really sure how to pronounce the name. I think it's Fombell, PA. But this is a big one. And if you saw in yesterday's video, this was just the framing put together, and now it's completely built with the exception of the doors and the bar tops and 2 of the other poles. The roof's too low to get the poles on that side, so gotta wait until I get it down onto the floor, which I can't with this one sitting here behind me. But this one gets a bunch of stuff. This gets a Beermeister, which goes in that cabinet there, and then refrigerator, ice bin, sink. This one gets the works. So this is the next one out. As soon as I can get it on the floor, though, as soon as this one's gone, which, like I said, will be really soon. So that's what we got going on in the shop. This is the next one going out, and then I'm working on one for Hawaii as well. So as soon as this one's gone, that one's on the floor, and then the Hawaii one will be on the table. And then that one's going to a military base out there. So looking forward to doing that one. But first and foremost, these 2 got to go. So all right, well, love your guys' comments, and if you have any questions, you want to see any new content, you want some advice on something, just let me know. Help you guys out. If for all you DIYers, I have 3 books written on how to do this, so you can find that at tikikev.com if you're interested. All right, love to hear your comments from the Tiki Kev shop. Tiki Kev out.